Hello, GB community. This is Anxious with a dispute versus Nos Tebow. I don't know if you can see his name right, but that's his name right there. It's real blurry. I'll take a picture of it to show further proof. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this video. It's about 5 minutes long. I forward to him, and he did go ahead and disputes me. This is the third map grid. Um, well, yeah, here we go, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward it. K gets outgunned there. Okay. He also was lagging right there. His connection was complete trash. I had to play on his host since I hosted the first map. This was his host. It was complete trash. Kill him there. It's now 2-2. About a minute left in this game. Kill him right there. Gotta get the last kill. You see right there, he left the game. And that's it, guys. Right there. I can't really see it. There's my gamer tag for proof. Anxious. You see right there, he left. Can't really see his gamer tag good. I'm gonna take a picture of it for you guys. Up close picture with my iPhone. Thanks for your time and hope you give me the win.